Morning, my lovely lovies. I'm going to film it this way because if you film it this way, you can film up to 3 minutes. So let's see if we can do it this way. This morning I've got a toastie. I've got that chicken salad that I made and that egg salad that I made and a bit of pepperoni all inside. Look at that. Let's turn a little light on for you. Look at that. New sweet chilli. Let's go get. Whilst we're trying to see if we can do this 3 minutes. Look at my makeup from yesterday. Because I've had a good night. I need to go shopping. Look, old Mother Hubbard. You ain't in there. No. So, chicken salad, egg mayo, pepperoni and a bit of sweet chilli. In a toastie, bish bash bosh, eat. And a cup of tea. Don't think I'll stay here for 3 minutes though. We've already been here for 1:25. Maybe be able to see that I eat my dinner in like in a second. Wait for your breakfast. Yummy. Right, it's been nearly 2 minutes. And I'm nearly at half of it. A couple of more seconds and we're in 3. I need to go shopping. What are you doing today? I'm going down to Lidl's, get some veg. Yeah, I'm going to finish them cakes off because I need to get icing and cream cheese. Well, my time's nearly up, I think. So I'm going. Ta-ra.